I just heard special. So it looks like we're getting some kind of special messages right in here. Yeah, I'm sensing some kind of very positive. I'm also feeling like this is something here no na parang um hindi ito yung usual natin na reading. So this is something unique. That's what I'm feeling. This is something here that's special. Yeah, let us see. Kumbaga sa halo-halo mga babes 'no, eto yung may leche flan na, may ube pa 'no, tapos baka may cherry on top. Let us see. Oh, wow. Temperance High Priestess, Six of Cups. Look at that. We've got the Hierophant energy, High Priestess. Okay, look. Listen, no? So, mga babes, no? This reading is what I'm picking up, no? Na if you happen to see this reading, then this reading is yours. Okay? Not everybody can see this reading, no? Not everybody can resonate to this reading, but it looks like you're hearing something, no? And look at that, a lot of soulful connection right in here, no? So, meron ako nakikita rito, no? Na this is someone here na person mo, okay? Na nasa ibang parts ng world or nasa ibang parts ng earth, okay? Calling you guys. This person do not know your name. This person do not know how you look. This person, okay, is someone right in here calling you, asking. This is mend, okay? Mend a broken heart, asking for your help. This person is calling you. Your person is calling you. Wow. Okay, you're connecting telepathically with this person. Ikaw, hindi mo rin alam kung anong itsura niya, no? Ikaw, hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung kanya ritong voice, no? But this is you, you're feeling this. Others of you, you're hearing it. Someone calling you, no? So I do see, yeah, okay. Bottom of the deck. Okay, definitely. Okay, bottom of the deck, King of Swords, Three of Wands, Three of Cups. Definitely, this is the one destined here for you guys. No, this person is your person, no, and this person here is calling for your help because right of this very moment, he or she is trapped, no? Trap siya sa isang klase ng wrong relationship. Maybe kakonek niya ngayon ang kanyang ka-karmic, no? Maybe he or she is inside a karmic relationship, no? Something, no, na hindi maganda. Something, no, na feeling broken-hearted siya. It looks like this person here is waiting for some kind of savior, waiting for some kind of hero to save him or her from this trapped relationship, no? Nasa maling relationship siya. Okay? Ah, teka miss yan, naguguluhan naman ako sa sinasabi mo. Person ko siya pero nasa maling relationship siya. Ha? Ano? Hindi ko maintindihan, no? Well, mga babes, no? To make this clear, this person, number one, is not your ex. Hindi siya yung ex mo. This is the person destined for you. So, hindi mo pa siya nami-meet, hindi mo pa siya nakikita, hindi mo alam yung itsura niya, hindi mo rin alam, mga babes, no? Kung nasan siya exactly, no? Sa parts ng world or sa parts ng earth. But this person is meron siya ngayon na ka-in relationship na pwedeng karmic partner niya yon. Okay? Nasa loob siya ng isang hindi tamang relationship, no? Kung saan posible na mas lamang yung nasasaktan siya kaysa mas lamang yung happy siya sa relationship nilang dalawa. So it looks like mga babe, no, this person here, hindi kanya rito trinidor, walang ganon kasi hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala rito. But your person here, naririnig mo siya, okay? Dahil ito yung person mo at palakas ng palakas na ang union ninyo, Three of Cups energy, malapit na kasi kayong magkita sa future, pwedeng yun na yung last na relationship na pagdadaanan niya bago niya kayo makilala. At kung kakarmic niya yung kadil niya, masakit talaga yon dahil yun na yung parang pagtatapos ng karmic debt or karmic contract nilang dalawa in their past lives connection. Okay? So, pagtapos nun, magkakakilala na kayo. And because you are someone, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, not everybody will see this reading and not everybody can understand this reading, only the chosen one. So, if you feel the connection of the messages, no, talagang getting into sa'yo, then this reading is yours. Okay? Your person and you ay sobrang konektado ngayon. Halos nag-uusap kayo telepathically. Look at that. And this is the person you're destined with. Temperance energy. Naririnig ninyo siya, yung iba sa inyo, naririnig ninyo na may tumatawag sa inyo, no? Because ito yung person ninyo asking for help dahil nasa loob siya ng isang maling relationship or ng isang napakasakit na cycle ng relationship, no? Na kailangan niya naman talagang tapusin iyon, no? So, magulo yung situation niya ngayon with the person na kadil niya rito, no? And I think etong person mo, 'no, may dinidemand siya na truth doon sa kanya ritong kadil. So, puwedeng, ang energy is nagsisinungaling yung kanyang partner sa kanya at gusto niya lang naman dito na umamin. So, parang kahit na masasaktan siya dun sa truth, 'no, dinidemand niya pa rin pero maaaring hindi umaamin yung partner niya. So, kung ano yun, okay, maaaring hindi nagsasalita ng totoo yung partner niya sa kanya kahit na ini-explain niya na, 'no, kahit na siya na rito yung nag-a-adjust, 'no. So, meron dito sigurong kasinungalingan. So, meron tayong nakuhang clue na yun yung kanya ritong pinagdaraanan, 'no. And I do see na malinaw na itong person mo alam mo mga babes, kung sino 'to, ito yung karugtong ng red string cord mo. Siya yung person mo. Pero kailangan niyang tapusin yung karmic debt na ito or karmic contract na ito bago kayo magkita, 'no? Nasa loob siya or nakatrap siya dito sa, klase ng koneksyon na ito, 'no? Okay, nasa loob siya ng hindi talaga, silang dalawa kasi kayong dalawa talaga yung for each other, 'no? So, ano magagawa ko diyan, Miss Yan? Well, actually, the only thing that you can do right here, 'no, para matulungan mo siya is to pray. Yun yung nakikita natin dito, 'no, na malampasan niya na agad ito nang makatapos na siya diyaan, 'no, nang sa gayon, 'no, ay makalaya na siya sa ganyang klase ng torture sa kanyang feelings and emotions, 'no. Nang sa gano'n, magkakilala at mag-meet na kayong dalawa, no. Actually, nalalapit na rin naman ito. Wala ka talagang magagawa rito mga babes kasi ito yung klase ng alam niyo yung kontrata, yung literal na kontrata, pipirma talaga dun, 'no. Parehas silang lumagda dun, parehas silang pumirma dun, 'no, dahil yun ay napagkasunduan, 'no. 'Pag natapos na, yung kung ano man yung kontrata na yun na nakapaloob doon na kailangan nila ritong tapusin or bayaran, 'no, then kailangan yun ay maganap, 'no, para tuluyan na matapos or mag-turn into dust yung contract na yun, 'no. Kailangan mo na yung fulfill, 'no, para naman kayo yung mag-cross ng paths dito. Okay, kasi may mga lessons na kailangan matutunan nang sa gano'n, 'no, pagka nakaharap niya na kayo, 'no, para siya ditong mas nag-mature, mas naging malakas, 'no, mas naging smarter, ganyan, 'no. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, 'no, this is definitely here your right person, 'no. So, kaya parang may naririnig ka or baka napapanaginipan mo na rin siya or parang ikaw 'to, 'no, na may energy ka rito na parang feeling mo, may energy na kailangang-kailangan talaga, 'no, na parang may kailangan-kailangan ba akong gawin or may kailangan-kailangan ba akong puntahan, ba't parang feeling ko may nangangailangan sa'kin. Yes, kasi itong person na 'to kailangan ka niya ngayon, 'no. Hindi niya lang nare-realize but subconsciously, he or she is calling for that true love and that true love happens to be you. 'No? Kaya nga, eh, 'no, spiritually, energetically, 'no, para na rin kayong nag-uusap, 'no? Kasi nakaka-connect siya sa'yo, parang ano ba 'yun, 'no? When this person here is in pain, you feel like you're sad, okay? So, parang may mga times na hindi mo rin maintindihan yung emotions mo rito, 'no? There's flow of emotions right in here na parang, ba't parang ang lungkot ko ngayon, It is something here, 'no, na because you're other half, 'no, is nalulungkot rin ngayon. And ikaw 'to 'no, na parang, may energy ka na parang nababagabag ka, 'no, wala ka namang problema or natapos mo na yung problema mo pero parang feeling mo may heaviness kang nararamdaman 'no. It's the feeling of your partner nararamdaman mo. Yun. Yes, you're feeling this person here because this is your person and the next thing that will happen in your connection is you gonna meet. Yun yung nakikita natin dito 'no, and this is not far from happening because pretty soon you're gonna meet this person right here 'no. Others, you could be meeting this person here 'no, first quarter of 2026 'no, you could be meeting this person here 'no, through your friends, through your connections, through your family members, through your, colleagues right here 'no. So, I do see that this person here is someone 'no, na meant talaga rito. It's really part of your destiny na talaga rito 'no, na mag-collide and I do see that with our bartender, you know, universe 'no. Kayo talaga yang dalawa na yan na cup na yan 'no. This is you, this first cup right here and the second chalice or the second cup is your person. And you happen to be the high priestess and your person happen to be the hierophant energy. So your divine counterparts, no, and that's definitely very evident in this reading. So, that kind of parang paiba-ibang emotions you're feeling, no, you're not crazy, but you're feeling each other at hindi lang ikaw yung nakaka-feel niyan. Kapag ikaw sad, sad rin siya. 'Pag masaya ka 'no, at malungkot siya dun sa kabilang side 'no, or kung nasaan man siyang parts ng earth or world 'no, okey, mafe-feel niya rin yung happiness na parang mai-encourage siya, mai-enlighten siya, hindi niya alam paano na lang nangyari yun 'no, because you're feeling each other. You're flowing into the same rhythm, into the same vibe. That's why 'no, nafi-feel or nararamdaman ninyo yung isa't isa. Ay, ganun ba yun, Miss Yan? Yes, ganun yun. That's why this reading is not for everybody because only the chosen ones, no, will definitely connect and understand, no, yung mga messages na nakapaloob dito. So, if you feel connected and you understand, no, every messages, every details, no, na ating napakinggan, no, mga sinabi ko sa inyo, then definitely you're part of those only chosen ones na deserve na marinig itong message na ito. Okay? So yeah, kakaloka 'no? Alam mo yung energy na hindi niyo kailangan ng Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared. Energy, spiritually 'no, energetically, yun lang 'no? You're already connecting with each other, you're already communicating with each other even though you do not know each other's name, even though you do not see each other's face, how yung looks ninyo would be like you're clueless but you're already talking 'no, in the 5D. world. So yeah, for the initials right in here, no? Plus meron din tayong numbers na nakikita. Okay, you could be seeing mirroring numbers, no? Repeating numbers. Just take how this resonates. Key. For the initials, we have here letter I. We also have here R. And dito M. We also have Y. And dito rin B as in boy. We also have T. Minsan, okay lang kahit capital or yeah. Okay, it's okay. As long as, no, may letters, no? Pero just take only what resonates. Might be initials or parts of the letters of your names. Your name, his or her name. Okay. We also have here J. We also have here G. And last but not the least, the letter E. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you again. I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.